They told us energy comes from wires, turbines, coal, and nuclear fusion. They told us power is manufactured in man-made plants, stored in grids and rationed like food to the hungry. They built towers of steel and fire and convinced the world that the light in our homes, our cities, our minds depends on them. But here's the truth. Before there was a power grid, there was God. And before there was a spark in any reactor, there was a word that thundered through the void. Let there be light. Not just photons, not just fire, but conscious light, energy imbued with purpose, will, and divine intent. This light ignited the atom. This light split the cell. This light gave birth to fusion, to stars, to life itself. And this light is Christ. The true light, which gives light to everyone, was coming into the world. John 1:9. But men, darkened in understanding, have tried to hijack his current. They discovered whispers of zero-point energy, the power that exists even in the vacuum of space, the energy that shouldn't exist unless someone is sustaining it. They called it quantum fluctuation. We called it divine fingerprint. These men, blinded by ambition, hide the truth. They build billion-dollar illusions to convince the masses that they control the spark. They fund towers and tunnels, data centers and devices, not realizing the power they tap into is on loan. For a time, God permits it. He allows the illusion to run for a test of hearts. But one day the truth will break the sky like a morning sun. The deception will be revealed. And he will pull the plug. When he does, their AI will go silent. Their machines will blink into nothing. Their proud inventions will crumble like Babel's tower. And they will stand exposed, foolish, and powerless before the light they mocked. Professing themselves to be wise, they became fools. Romans 1:22. You see, the fools aren't the ones who worship the unseen. The fools are the ones who depend on divine energy while denying the divine source. But the chosen, those who walk by faith, not sight, we see clearly. We know the fire in the atom is not accidental. The beauty in DNA is not coincidental. And the power that sustains all life doesn't come from man, but from the one who is life. So to the chosen, don't fear the rise of artificial intelligence. It is limited by divine allowance. Don't worship the system. It is temporary scaffolding. Now stay on the side of truth. Because the fence isn't neutral, it belongs to the enemy. And when the light returns, the dark will not comprehend it. But the chosen will shine with it.